Took the words straight from my mouth before I knew what it was all about. You know that words are just a way to belay the brain, but two words, they rarely ever mean the same thing. So many times I've tried to figure out your mind. Every time I can't seem to decide if you got a look what's inside of my mind. Baby, you get the chance to finally decide. Looking for a reaction, but the actions all fall short. Too much attraction causes the flames to flicker more. Still on my mind from time to time, you know that's for sure. But the wind keeps blowing, landing me on different shores. So many times I've tried to figure out your mind. Every time I can't seem to decide if you got a look what's inside of my mind. Baby, you'd get the chance to finally decide. Thanks.